Subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get early notification of our latest video.
Hi friends, in today's video you will see the making of simple 2n3055 inverter. You may either make the circuit by soldering or physically joining as per the circuit diagram. You can see here two yellow wires of the transformer are connected to the collector C terminals of the two transistors, and the black wire will be connected to the positive input supply. Grey wire connecting to the emitter joints will be connected to the negative DC supply. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe and like.